Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dears. Welcome to this new tutorial. This tutorial is about that how you can add a watermark to your document. So just start the Word, and here I will show you the different way in which you can add a watermark. The watermark may be some text, some picture. So this is a blank page and I will type something, or I will just randomly something I have typed, or without typing I can also do this. So this is a randomly typing, and let's move it to the middle. So here goes to the design, and here you see the watermark. So there are some defaults that here written confidential, and the different directions. So you can add these default. So now here you see this is edit, and these are the default. Here you see do not copy, and there are the different options, but we will add a custom watermark. So here you see the options, text watermark, picture, and no watermark. So first I will add a text watermark. Now this is the language and this is the text. Here you write your text. So I will add my name, auto, and colors. So you can select the color, automatic color. Let's add red color. And here is the you may add it in horizontal direction and or in the diagonal. And here is the size, you can change it. So auto, let's take the auto one, and there this is the text style. So calibri, let's make it Time New Roman. So select toward this, and let's apply this. We will here first it is selected as semi-transparent. We will first apply this one, and then we will deselect this and check it and apply. And here you see this is the semi-transparent. Now click on this and apply. Now it is transparent. So you can add in both style. And let's click on the diagonal and now apply. So now you see here, let's zoom out this, that you can see the full text and the page size of the page. Close this and put here, this is the your watermark. And now we will add a watermark as a text. This was a text, and now I will add a picture. It is a watermark. So go to the custom watermark and move this to the center, and picture watermark, and select a picture. Try again, work of line, and here are different pictures. You can select on your choice, and I will select this one, Pakistani flag, insert, and here is the scale, and now apply this. So this is a flag, you see, this is with the washout effect, and if I deselect and then apply, so here you see this is just become a transparent now. So it is visible now, and if you select this, then it's become light, and apply this. So it is not very visible. So I like this effect. You can change the size as well. Go to the watermark and custom and increase the size. Let's try 500. This will be huge size. Oh yes, you can change this. So now close it and just print it, that how it look in the PDF format. F12, click on F12 and now convert it as a PDF and minimize size and save it on the desktop. It will automatically open in the Foxit reader. So this is our document with the watermark. So hope you like this video. If you like, please comment, subscribe to my channel and share this tutorial with your friends. So